How capacitors store energy. Welcome to this presentation on how capacitors store energy. We will explore the structure of a capacitor, how it works, and the key concepts that govern its operation. Structure of a capacitor. A capacitor consists of two conductive plates, usually made of metal. These plates are separated by an insulating material called a dielectric. The dielectric prevents direct electrical contact while allowing the capacitor to store energy. How energy storage works. Charging. When a voltage source is connected to the capacitor, electrons move from one plate and accumulate on the other plate, creating a negative charge. The same number of electrons are removed from the second plate, making it positively charged. This movement of electrons is essential to the capacitor's ability to store energy. How energy storage works. Electric field. The separation of opposite charges on the two plates creates an electric field within the dielectric material. This electric field is the medium through which energy is stored in the capacitor. How energy storage works. Potential energy. The work required to separate the positive and negative charges against their natural electrostatic attraction is stored as electrical potential energy. This energy remains in the electric field until the capacitor is discharged. How energy storage works. Discharging. Once the capacitor is disconnected from the voltage source, the charges remain on the plates because of the strong attraction between them. The stored energy is ready to be released when the capacitor is connected to a circuit, powering devices as needed. Key concepts. Capacitance. Capacitance, denoted by C, measures a capacitor's ability to store electric charge and is expressed in farads. Capacitance depends on three main factors: the surface area of the plates, the distance between them, and the type of dielectric material used. Larger surface areas and materials with higher permittivity result in greater capacitance. Key concepts. Energy stored. The energy stored in a capacitor can be calculated using the formula E equals 1/2 times capacitance multiplied by the square of the voltage, or E is equal to 1/2 CV superscript 2. This shows that increasing either the capacitance or the voltage increases the energy storage capacity of the capacitor.